this application here called NinjaVPN and pretty much show you how to use it like a pro. Stay tuned.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
This is pretty much the home screen of the application, and very easy application to use, very easy VPN to use. So here is pretty much the server section, and you have quite a lot of servers which you can use. Some of them you may see a crown icon over them. Those pretty much means you're gonna need a subscription to use those servers. So as you can see here, this is their prices for their subscription. If you want to find the subscription page, you can either tap on this option at the top here, and you pretty much will see the subscription page, or you can tap on any one of these servers that have the crown icon, and you pretty much will be able to see their subscription page. So let's say you want to connect to a server, do search for the one without a subscription page, and next thing, some of them you will see a gaming icon. So if you need any server for gaming, you can use the one with the gaming icon, and do make sure the status bar of these servers are high. When it's too low, it means it's not very good. So do keep that in mind as well. Some of them may see 4K, better speed, and some of them may see HD as well, not very good speed. And do make sure to check the status bar of the server, the Wi-Fi icon over here. Make sure it is forward before you're trying to connect to any of the servers. So let's say you have found a server that we want to connect to. Let's say, for example, Belgium here, and it pretty much doesn't have any crown icon or anything like that, so I can use the server. So once you have tapped on the server that you want to use, all you have to do is tap on connection request, and it will connect in no time. So very easy application to use. And at the top here in the settings option, can change the background to dark or light mode here. As I can see, all I have to do is just tap on the option here. Down here as well, you have two protocols which you can use. All I have to do is just tap on the protocol option, and it will switch. As you can see, it's on WireGuard, and if I tap on it again, it will change the protocol. But I do recommend let it stay on auto. It will select the best protocol for you. So the rest of the features, I do recommend let it stay as it is, and the VPN pretty much works good. So if I missed anything at all, please comment below. I'd love to see you in the next one. Stay tuned.